Welcome to the Power BI Sales Dashboard Overview. The Power BI Dashboard provides a detailed and interactive way to analyze our retail and e-commerce sales data. Using various filters and visualizations, you can gain insights into the sales performance, highlight top selling products and distributors, and track sales trends. This innovative dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of the sales data of a retail and e-commerce company. The dashboard is designed to give insights into sales performance, covering key dimensions such as products, regions, distributors, and more. So let's start navigating the dashboard. So first, coming to the filters, we have various filters like year, month, region, city, and salesperson. So we can select based on our requirement and filter out the report accordingly. So currently we have selected year 2024. We can update the selection. The report will update accordingly. So let's see for 2024. We have various key matrices. There are the KPIs. So the first is total sales. So this KPI shows the total sales amount for the selected period, that is 2024 year. Then the second is total quantity. So the total quantity shows the total quantity of the products that are sold. Top product shows the top selling product, and also the top product sales is mentioned over here. And this is the today's sales. So today's sales will show the sale for today. Overall, it is irrespective of the product. It is a complete sale. Alright, now we'll move to the comparison metrics. So this is LY sale. So this metric is last year sales. So it shows the sales amount for the previous year. So current selection is 2024. So it will show the sales for previous year 2023. YTD sale. So it displays the sales amount from the beginning of the year to the current date. MTD sale. MTD sale is month to date sale and it indicates the sales amount for the current month. Then CY sale is the current year sale. Year over year sale. So it shows the percentage change in sales compared to the previous year. Okay, let's move on to the different visuals we have created for showing up the data in charts and bars. So this chart shows the top 5 distributors by sales. It is based on the total quantity of the products sold. So top 4 regions by sales. So this chart, this pie chart displays the sales distribution across the top 4 regions, and it is also useful in the e-commerce. Then there are the top 5 retailers by sale chart. So it shows the top 5 retailers based on the sales. Coming to the sales trends. So we have a total sales by year chart. So this line graph is showing sales trends from 2018 to 2026. So these are the forecasted 2025 and 2026 years. It highlights the fluctuations and peaks in the sales. Then coming to the next chart is the total sales by day. So this is the area chart that is showing daily sales variability. It is very important to track these in the retail and e-commerce. So yeah, next coming to the last bar chart. So this is the total sales by month. This bar chart displays the monthly sales figure for the selected year. The Power BI dashboard for retail and e-commerce sales consolidates complex data into actionable insights. By visualizing sales performance, identifying market trends, and monitoring product popularity, it facilitates informed decision making, driving growth, and maintaining a competitive edge in the retail and e-commerce sectors. Are you ready to optimize your sales effort and seize growth opportunities? contact Softweb Solutions now. Write to us at info@softwebsolutions.com. Thank you.